Hi, thank you very much for being here. In this tutorial, I'm gonna teach you how to add multiple languages in your Shopify store or how to change the language of your Shopify store. Let's come to the computer screen. Here is the dashboard of my Shopify and I have to click here on setting option. Here we go. Now in setting option, you will have to find the languages, the second last option in this menu. Here we go. Now, in my case, I have two languages, Arabic and French, added in my Shopify store. In my default language is English. You can change the default language from here and you can add languages from here. You can see I'm going to put Turkish add. You will see I have 3 languages now. You will have to publish these languages also. And if you wanna change your default language, you will have to change from here. Thank you very much for watching this short tutorial. Keep watching the next one.